Hi guys, I welcome you in today's Peace for You guided meditation session. If you are not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for peaceful content. Let's start today's session by finding a comfortable position. Settle back and put your arms on your thighs gently. When you are ready, close your eyes, paying full attention for this moment settling in and allowing your mind and body to still. And with openness, patience, curiosity, bring your awareness to the breath. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and release it fully. Follow the breath as it flows in and out of your body. Taking one last deep breath before letting the breath settle. Allowing to feel natural and ease. Do not try to force the breath or regulate it in any way. Just allow it to flow naturally on its own. We will scan down the body now, concentrating our attention from part to part. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head and scalp. Feel whatever happening in this area. You might feel tingling or heat, soft vibrations. There may be strong sensations, or you might not feel much about. Now lower your attention to your forehead, face, and jaw. Allow your muscles here to relax. On your next out breath, let your sensation dissolve. Lower your focus to the neck, letting your throat and back side of your neck soften. If you notice any sensation that arise on the surface of the skin or deeper within, just try to relax. Now bring your attention to your right shoulder. Notice if there is any tension or strain. Breath into your shoulder, and if any part feel tight, allow them to relax. Extend your awareness down the right arm towards the right wrist, right palm, and right hand fingers. On the next out breath, allow them to soften. Now bring your attention to your left shoulder. Notice if there any tension or strain. Breath into your shoulder, and if any part feel tight, allow them to relax. Extend your awareness to the left arm towards your left wrist, left palm, and left hand fingers. On the next out breath, allow them to soften. Now come to the chest, observing the rise and fall of each breath. Notice how the lungs expand and contract. Breathing deeply through your nose, calmly and fully. Direct your attention to your lower and upper back. There may be some intensity. This is an area where we commonly hold our stress. If you notice any tension or discomfort, just observe. Focus your attention on that part and try to relax it for the next 15 seconds. Moving your focus around your abdomen. Notice it expanding, filling up with air and slowly emptying on the exhale. Bring your attention to your pelvis. Notice where your body makes contact with ground or your chair, and direct your breath into this area, relaxing into stillness. Now scan your legs, observing your thighs. Notice where they make contact with your cushions or chair. Lowering your attention to your knees and your calves. Any sensation or discomfort there, just try to relax. Let your legs release this tension. When you are ready, breathe into your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Let them relax and become soft. As we sit here with the breath and full awareness on the body, we can expand our physical awareness and increase our presence through observation in the present moment. And as we near to the end of the session, take a moment to notice how you feel. You may find that you are more relaxed. This is often a common outcome of meditation. This is one of the reasons why it's so helpful to meditate during the times of stress. This practice is here for you whenever you need it. As we near to the end of the session, bring your attention back to the room. Move your fingers, toes, and slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's Peace for You guided meditation session. I invite you to bring this state of peace with you into the day, and we will see you back here tomorrow. Thank you.